Hi there, my name is Brittany Flandrick and I am doing my day 1 of my lesson 2 lesson plan. Today we're going to be talking about consonant blends. This is my boyfriend Ronald and he is going to be my student today. Hi. Thanks for joining me. So today we're going to talk about consonant blends. As I talked to you before, a consonant is a letter sound. For example, the letter R makes a R sound. A consonant blend is a blend of 2 letter sounds. So an S and L makes a S, or an ST makes a ST. So today I'm going to be introducing some consonant blends. We are going to sound them out, and then I'm going to give you, or we're going to play kind of like a game, and I'm going to give you some, and we're going to practice them together.
Yeah.
All right. So the consonant blends that we're going to talk about today is BL, so bull, and then BR, burr, CL, flu, which is a hard one, or cool. Sometimes it's flu, but it's cool. DR, FR, TR, FL, GL, GR, PL, PR, SL, SM, and SP. It's a lot all in one setting, but we'll do one at a time. And I've introduced a couple, so I'll keep going. So DR makes a dur, like drive. It's a silly one.
This is what you said. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. And FR makes a fr. That's a silly one too. TR makes a tur, and then FL makes full. GL makes a jewel, which is harder, like glove, glove, sorry. GR, like grr. PL, pull. PR, purr. SL, sl. SM, sm. And SP, sp. So it's the blend of the first letter and the second letter,
Right.
which is pretty cool. So what I'm going to do is I am going to give you some example words. And the consonant blends we're going to work on for practice is we're going to work on the practice consonant blends of the BR, so burr, and we're going to do PR, purr. Okay, so I am going to put one up for you. The word for BR is I'm going to do bride. Okay. So let's sound out each letter first. So B, A, D,
Bride.
What was the last one? Very good. Bride. Thank you. All right. So we're going to do PR. So the word I'm going to do for PR is, and this rhymes with bride, so this is pretty cool.
Oh, man. If it's pride, I'll be surprised.
We're going to do the word pride.
Yes.
Yep, and those rhyme, so that's pretty cool. Thank you so much. So let's sound out each part of that word. Pride. Very good. So the beginning consonant blends is the BR here. Okay. And then for pride, it's PR. Per. So I'm going to show this the screen quick. So this is what I have. Okay. So I have come up with 2 words that begin with the consonant blends, BR and PR. So I've come up with one here and one here.
Right.
So what I would like you to do is, since I came up with one word, I want you to come up with 4 more for each side.
4 for each
Yeah,
side.
actually, let's make it easy. Can you come up with 2 for each side?
2 for each side.
Yes. Can you do that, please?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh.
And then as you're coming up with the words, go ahead and tell us what words you come up with.
We do brown.
Okay, that's a good one.
We could also do break.
Oh, hey, that's a good one. BR. No, those are some good ones. Okay. You come up with one more on that side? Thank you.
Brittle.
Brittle.
Ooh.
That's a cool word.
Oh, fancy. Huh?
Nice. Okay, how about for the consonant blends PR?
We do prom.
Okay.
Oh, PR words suck. Hold on. Precipitate. No, that doesn't work. There's an E there.
That is really hard for PR. Huh?
Prometheus. Ooh.
Whoa, that's a big word. Okay.
That's something I can spell well, too.
No, that's all right. Okay. Can you come up with one more for me, please? Go ahead.
The only PR words I know are huge.
Hmm.
Predicate.
Okay.
Aha. Or predator.
Mm-hmm. See. Those are some good ones. So you have brown, break, and brittle. So we have BR in all three.
Yeah.
Nice work. So then, let's see, for PR, you have prom, Prometheus, and predicate. Do they all have a PR on that one?
Yep.
Very good. That's awesome. So let's see what other words. I'm curious to see what other words I can think of for this one. So BR. Oh, how about bright?
There you go.
Bright. I'll come up with one more for each. Bright. And can you please put your chair down on the ground? Thank you. And how about...
Yeah, PR's kind of hard.
How about pry?
Ooh, there you go.
Yeah, that's really awesome. You did really, really well with coming up with words that beginning with the consonant blends BR and PR. That's some good work. It's like you know what you're doing. That's really awesome. Good work. I really like how creative you were too. That was really cool. So this is going to be really fun. Now, for the second part, I am not going to help you come up with, well, I didn't really help, but I'm not going to come up with any words. I want you to pick 2 consonant blends you would like to work on completely by yourself because you're not going to do 3 this time. You're going to do 5.
Yes.
Do you think you can come up with 5? I think you can. You're pretty smart.
I feel like if I can't, there's something wrong.
So what consonant blends would you like to work on? We have a whole list. What are you thinking?
Well, I like SM and TR.
SM and TR. Oh, those are awesome. Can you find the SM and the TR?
What?
Cool. And then what other one?
See if I can find it.
Okay. Good work. All right, all right. So he chose SM and TR. Awesome. Okay. All right, could you sound out each letter for me on each side?
Oh, and TR.
Nice. And can you do them together for me? Okay.
And TR.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. You did really well. Thank you so much. So now I want you to come up with 5 for each side. So the first time I give you a word to go off of. So now we're just going to do the consonant blends, and I want you to come up with 5 for each side, okay? I'm going to have you work by yourself, and then I'll come visit if you need help.
All right.
It's like you're getting really creative there. That's really cool. Oh, I like that you did true. That's a cool word.
Well, thank you.
Mm-hmm. Oh, and smart, just like you. That's cool.
I seem to be struggling with the last word.
Oh my, it is really hard to come up with consonant blend words. I completely understand.
Can you help me?
I can help you. So what have you come up with so far?
Well, we have small, smooth, smell, smart, true, trust, train, tractor, and trader.
Oh.
But I seem to be struggling with the last SM word.
That is really hard. Well, you did really, really well with the TRs, so good work. And these are some good ones too. I think, again, my favorite one is smart. That's a pretty good one. SM. SM, that is really hard. What was that? Did you come up with a word?
Yeah.
Really? What word did you come up with?
Smite.
That's a really big word.
I know.
Wow, where did you hear that?
The internet.
Oh, I get it. Why don't you go ahead and write that out for me? Smite.
Okay.
Wow, that's a good one. Wow, there's just some good words that you have. Good work. Wow, okay, so you have small, smooth. I like that you're able to get that double O in smooth. That can be really hard. Smell, smart, and smite. Very good. And then we have the TR. So we have true, trust, train, tractor. Wow, you must like tractors. Do you like tractors? And trader. That's a really big word. Where did you find that one?
TV.
TV.
Yep, there you go.
I get it. I get it. Very nice. Well, that was really fun. I'm really glad we can do that. Did you want to try other consonant blends too?
Do I have to?
If you want.
No, I won't.
You don't want to? Okay. Well, that's all right. Well, thank you so much for doing this lesson with me. I appreciate that.
No problem.
All right. Well, that's the end of my lesson. Have a good day.